hope you're having a great day. Today I will be showing you guys how to make oatmeal cookies. There are many ways of making these cookies, like banana, oatmeal cookies, or peanut butter. But today I'll be showing you how to make my personal favorite oatmeal cookies. These are the healthiest and the easiest type. So if you want to know how to make these, watch till the end of the video. Without further ado, let's get on to it. Now I'll be showing you all the ingredients. Starting with the oats, then the chocolate chips, after that the all-purpose flour, maple syrup, an egg, large or small, cinnamon, baking powder, a pinch of salt, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. First, we're going to add in all the dry ingredients, starting with the oats, followed by the all-purpose flour. Next, you're going to add the baking powder. Guys, make sure that you are not using baking soda instead of baking powder because that'll make a huge difference in your cookies. Now add the cinnamon, a pinch of salt. Now you're just going to take a spatula and give it a quick mix. You don't need to mix it thoroughly now because after we add the wet ingredients, you'll have to mix it again. The first wet ingredient, the egg. As I said, large or small. The maple syrup. Don't waste anything, guys. Use every last drop. Now add the vanilla extract, the coconut oil, and you can finally give it a nice mix. As you see, guys, I've used very healthy ingredients for this recipe, so you're just going to mix it with a spatula or with your hands. I don't recommend using a whisk because the batter is just too hard and sticky for a whisk to do the job. This will take 5 to 7 minutes until you get a nice consistency like this. It should be hard and sticky. Now you're going to add in the chocolate chips. I'm using half a cup, but you can use more if you'd like. But personally, I would prefer about half a cup or less. Now you're just going to mix the batter with the chocolate chips and make sure that it's combined well. This alone can take about 2 to 5 minutes. Your consistency should mostly remain the same. And this is how it should look after you're done mixing the whole thing. Now I've put some coconut oil on my hands to avoid stickiness. As I described earlier, it's going to be very, very sticky. So you're going to take approximately that much, more or less that much batter, and you're going to roll it in a bowl. And you're just going to put it on your baking sheet. Now just repeat the process. Take about that much batter, roll it into a ball, and put it on the baking sheet, as I'm showing here. Just do that until your batter runs out, and you would be left with something looking like this. So now take a spatula or your fingers and flatten it very lightly as shown. Don't flatten it too much because the cookies will expand after baking and you don't want them to touch. They should be looking like this, and I added a few chocolate chips on top. This is completely optional, but I just did it for fun. It's just adding an extra touch. And you're going to preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. 12 to 15 minutes should do. Just bake them until they're golden brown like this. And they should be looking like that. Make sure you cool them down before eating them because it'll burn you and it won't be as crispy. Now I'm just going to break the cookie in half to show you how it looks inside. It looks amazing, guys. I am literally drooling just by looking at them. Now I'm just going to put them all on a plate. And voila, you're done. These are one of the healthiest cookies, guys. Okay guys, now we're done baking the cookies and they look absolutely delicious. I am so excited to try them out because I'm drooling by looking at them already. These would go great as an afternoon snack. So now I'm going to do the taste test. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to take a bite in 3, 2, 1. This is absolutely amazing, guys. I really hope you try this out and I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time. Bye!